Yeah, the next part is the Earth's mantle. After the Earth crust, we have Earth mantle. The mantle is the layer of the Earth that lies below the Earth crust and is by far the largest layer, making up 84% of Earth volume. The mantle starts at the morphomic declinity, also known as MOHO. The MOHO is defined as the density contrast from less dense crust to denser mantle and where seismic wave velocities are increased. The mantle acts similar to the plastic and at very high temperature and pressure. The rock is deformable at geological timescales. This deformation causes a convection-like process in the mantle where you have large-scale upwelling and downwelling zones. Earth mantle extends down to 2,890 km into the Earth's surface. Temperature that ranges from 500 to 900 degrees Celsius in the upper portion of the over 4,000 degrees Celsius near the core boundary. Because it's in below, if you go below, in deep, then you will have more temperature rise. You can feel it. Earth's mantle is believed to be composed of bulk mineralogy and similar periodolite. So some of the country they are trying to get that minerals which are there in the nearer to the core, and they want to explore. They are working on it. Next one is the core. The core mantle boundary is positioned at the depth of 2,900 km. The inner core is in the solid state, whereas the outer core is in the liquid state. As we already told you. The core is made up of very heavy material, mostly constituted by nickel and iron. Hence, it is also called the knife layer because it consists of nickel and iron. So, Ni is the nickel and Fe is the iron, as we know very well, chemical denotation. So, we call that, the geologists or the people normally call that a knife layer. The Periodis is one of the two gems observed by the formed into the Earth's crust in the rock upper mantle. Gem quality periodic is rare under the Earth surface today. Its susceptibility to weathering during the transportation from the deep within the mantle of the surface because it's moved in the temperature. This middle ages of the gemstones was considered as the stone that could provide healing power, curing depression and opening the heart. The period is the birthstone of the month of August. So, as we know that people are believing, those who are believing astrology and this kind of germology, they will thank you. Thank you. We shall discuss the